Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your PC is running slow or your storage is almost full, it might be time to clean out those unused apps. In this quick and complete Windows 11 guide, I'll show you 3 easy methods to uninstall apps, step by step. So, let's get straight into it. Uninstall directly from the start. Menu: the fastest way to remove an app is directly from your start menu. Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and use the search bar to type the name of the app you want to delete. From the right-hand menu, select the app, then click Uninstall. A confirmation box will pop up. Just follow the on-screen instructions and the app will be gone in seconds. Uninstall using Windows settings. If you want more control over your apps, this method is for you. Open the Settings app from the Start menu, then go to Apps, Installed Apps. Here, you'll see a complete list of everything installed on your computer. Find the app you want to remove, click the 3 dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts and Windows will take care of the rest. Uninstall through the control panel. This method works best for traditional desktop programs. Open the control panel by typing it into the Start menu search bar. Click Uninstall a program under the Program section. Scroll through the list, select the program you want to remove, and hit the Uninstall button at the top. Then simply follow the program's built-in uninstaller to finish the process. And that's it. 3 simple ways to uninstall apps on Windows 11. Whether it's a regular app or a classic desktop program, now you can easily free up space and keep your PC running smoothly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.